So we've been here about 5 months. We moved in about probably the first couple of weeks of January. It's been a great place to live so far, especially seeing how far it's come from the beginning of the buildings being brought up to the moment we moved in, and how the buildings weren't there and now they're just really coming in. Like it's been a cool process to be a part of. By all means, you can literally go right down the road and you're at a Target, or you're at a PetSmart, or you have your Walmart and you have Berry Road. And right to the right of you, not only do you have the airport, but you have the highway. So you're literally 5 minutes away from one of the fastest trips to either downtown or anywhere. This location's perfect. It's nice and quiet compared to some of the other campuses or, you know, apartment complexes that are around. It's just off by itself, and it's very secluded and nice if you're trying to get away from the hustle and bustle of what could be a busy Northland. So far, my favorite is the gym. It's very accommodating to all parties that come in, whether beginning or people who have been here. And after a nice workout in the gym, I like how there's showers. That way you can go enjoy the pool afterward and kind of just hang out. As far as more amenities go, being able to hang out as controlled environment as, you know, having the fire pit that's right in front of us, or the grill pit, or even the cabanas that are behind. It's just an awesome atmosphere to be a part of. So the office staff is great. They're very attentive that if you have an issue, whether you email it in or you come talk to them in person, very quick to get back with you. And if they're not able to get to the problem that day, they are very attentive on when they are going to be able to take care of it. If they have to enter the apartment, giving the advance is awesome. I've lived at apartment complexes before that they don't let you know they're about to enter your apartment until you walk into your apartment and there's the note. They let you know when they're coming in, and that's huge as far as a personal space level goes. But they're very quick to help out on any issue that may occur while you're living here. There's been a couple instances where I have a bunch of friends who live in houses that don't really know if they would do the apartment life. Here it's just awesome as far as the spacious rooms that go for even apartments. Even the one-bedroom apartment, the square footage can't be beat. There's a lot to offer for anyone who moves in as far as like the location and the awesome spots that are right down the street. Another reason why I would invite someone to live here or encourage someone to do anything of the apartment lifestyle is the staff, is the Watermark name. You know, they're very attentive in throwing social gatherings. They want everyone to be a part of the community, and that's huge. I would recommend anyone to come be a part of that for a while. Even if this is a stepping stone, this is a great place to be till you either decide to move into a forever home or just stay in an apartment complex. Watermark and Thompson and Thrift is probably where we'll always be.